Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the module is blocked from the loading into the local security authorized mdnsNSP.dll file error. In this video seen before, subscribe to support my YouTube channel. Don't forget like and comment. We can easily fix this error simply few methods right to. Okay, let's go ahead the first step. Run the command promote. So go to the your Windows search bar and type cmd, then right click on the command promote, choose the run as administrator, then give the command. This command all provided in this video description. So go to the copy, then come to the command promote, then here paste it. Then go to the next command, then copy, then come to the command promote, then paste. Then next one, after that, finally, then exit. Then go to the your Windows search bar and type settings. Then go to the apps. We can see you can click on the installed apps, then scroll down, or you're using the search apps, then type Bonjour. If there is available, just right click to uninstall the Bonjour application. After that, your problem definitely fix it. Restart your system, then enjoy that game. If you have any doubt, go to the comment section comment. I will reply. If this method working or not working, go to the comment section comment. And if you want like this video or do you want new videos, subscribe to comment. I will make the video. Thanks for watching.